Let's go, everyone! Today, super excited to be unboxing this USB-C to headphone jack adapter. I need this for my new iPhone 15 Pro so I can have good audio for the next unboxing. So sorry that the audio is not the greatest here. I'm using my phone audio. All right, here we go. This is what the package looks like. Regular pull tab. Bam. Wow. Good. Using all cardboard and paper, it looks like again. Good for the environment. Good job, Apple. All right. Then it's pop it out. You have your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. And you have USB-C. Let's go. All right, everyone. I'll drop a link in the video description below on where I got this from, where you can order this from. And please let me know what you think about this adapter in the comment section. Cool, hope you're all doing well. See you next time. Later.